This is Hard to Engine. Today I'm working on a 2020 Nissan Kicks with a 1.6 automatic transmission. I'm going to be doing an oil change. Ahora voy a estar cambiando el aceite en este Nissan Kicks. This is an old Fram filter I used last time. Es el filtro viejito que usé la última vez. Fram, sí. Para sacarlo es fácil, take it easy, just rotate it this way. We counterclockwise, vamos a ir contra el reloj. There you go. Pretty simple. I do have a frame pan in the bottom.
I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy, couldn't wait.
This is a Walmart oil filter. I'm going to be using SuperTech, part number ST6607. Esa es la marca de Walmart. Esta es la numeración que está usando. Este filtro es muy fácil de instalar. It's pretty much easy. Let me just click oil.
Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was.
Alright, so we're in the bottom of the car, cleaning up the oil main area. El oil filter, estoy limpiando esta área donde está oily. Límpialo lo mejor que puedas. Clean surface. Let me see if you get it. Déjalo lo más limpio que se pueda. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. Vamos dando a la derecha. There you go. We're going clockwise. Estamos haciendo con el reloj. And look at that. Filter. Tomando más. Viéndolo. Alright. Bottom of car, esto del carro. I'm using a 14-inch deep socket. Estoy usando un 14 dado. I'm going to be turning counterclockwise. Estamos volteando contra el reloj. Contra el reloj ya. Vamos a estar volteando este lado. Y así de fácil. Sí, counterclockwise.
My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song, this is not.
Remember how you guys took this off? Recuerden cómo lo sacaste. Because you can put in the new one exactly the same way. Estás poniendo el nuevo, lo mismo como estaba. Igualito los quieres. See? There's like a little dimple. This little one. That's going to be facing the flat surface of this bolt. Este cortecito va a estar mirando a la cabeza del tornillo. And just screw it on. Now, ya cuando está así, trata de dejarlo lo más plano que puedas. When it's already like that, try to leave it as flat as you can. Because when you're tightening it on the car, it's going to crush itself, okay? So don't worry. Ya cuando... Ya así. Okay, that's close to perfection I could get it, lo más cercano de perfección que lo puedo poner. Now let's go install this.
A Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song.
So I'm tightening this clockwise. Lo estoy apretando con como va el reloj. Make it snug. Don't over torque it. Don't over tight it. Déjalo pretito, más que no le des de más. You don't want to break it or strip it. No lo quiero es barrer ni quebrar. Snug. You guys can see the washer's crushing. Slow and steady wins the race. There's gonna be a dead stop. Va a parar así como de repente, ya no puede darle. See, there's a dead stop. That's it, no more. That's good enough. Ya cuando para así ya está bien y ya no le dé más. Now the best part, let's go put the oil. So I'm inside the vehicle. I don't have no menu options or anything like that. I don't. Pretty much super base model. So I did pretty much for now. I'm going to the dealership later. I made this. I went to AutoZone. For the oil change, I did a 45,582, 3,000 miles more, and this pretty much the check the level after parking the vehicle on a level surface with the engine off. Wait more than 15 minutes for the oil to drain back into the oil pan. Pretty much is how you guys check your engine oil level. Dice que para chequear el aceite de motor, necesitas parquearlo en un lugar plano, el carro. Espera 15 minutos, después de apagar el motor, espera 15 para que el aceite se vaya para atrás a la charola. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now subscribe, and thank you for watching. Si tiene una pregunta, no le dé pena. Y si le gusta el video, dale un like. Y gracias por ver el video.